Hey guys, so I'm gonna teach you some guitar lessons. So first you do this chord. I call this the punk chord. So this is how you do it. You do this, this, and this. You can also make it cool tune. Here's another cool chord. You do this and this. And then you put those fingers up and down, up and down. Like, and do something cool. And put your fingers down like right here. And then right here. Right here, then right here. Got it? And another chord, you do this. And then it's like, it goes like this. Another cool chord, do this. I think some of you can't see it, but do you know what that song reminds you of? The song Beginnings by Chicago. And I taught you some guitar lessons, but there's also some one-note guitar stuff. Just like a one-finger guitar thing, like 25 or 64. Kind of like this. Oh yeah. Or like this. And also stuff like, or like, or like, that's also one note. And there's many more, like, say, like the bass riff to "I'm a Man" by Chicago. So it's like really cool. Kind of like that, and there is so much more. Oh man. You know what that song is, right? "Raining Blood" by Slayer. Yeah, it's like such a amazing song. So yeah, that's some guitar lessons I just played for you. And the second thing, how to do guitar solos. Mainly the how I do guitar solos if I use my fingers. I gotta use my fingers. It's easy on electric, but it's easy on acoustic as well. Like you can turn the volume up. That's the easiest, but with acoustic you can't. So I kind of do like. So that's how I do it. So here's some little grooves. It sounds like someone is walking. So like let's start walking. So let's start walking. It sounds like someone is walking. So I wrote that riff type of thing. I think I might add it to a song, like about a year ago, and it sounds like someone is, and in how I do like a person that's falling down, I go. That's like the falling down the stairs type of sound. Like a little orgy type of sound. Like you can do a whole bunch of awesome songs. Like, or you can do the chord thing like this. It's awesome. Yeah, like you can go like. You can do something like that, or you can do like. So you can do something like that. So that's the type of stuff that you can do when you're playing guitar. So like when people learn how to play guitar, taught myself on YouTube, because I don't like going to like guitar classes because it's kind of puts stress. So I kind of do YouTube. Some people starts by doing guitar soloing, then chords. Some people starts learning chords and plays guitar solos. It depends who it is. I started playing guitar solo first, then I went to the chords. It's everybody's choice. I mean, if they want to start by doing the chords, they can. If they want to start doing the guitar solos first, they can. I love learning instruments by my own because it's more fun and less stress. So, yeah, I feel like going to a class is more pushy, more stress. But learning on your own, it's much easier. You can have fun. You can rock out while you're learning. So that's just what I want to say. And rock on. See ya. Next video. Up next. Gotta play some more guitar solos. See ya.